Okay, my dot cam's okay. So on number 4, for the 48 degrees, is this opposite, adjacent, or hypotenuse? Opposite. Where's the hypotenuse? Here. So this is adjacent. So O and A. So SOHCAHTOA, which one has O and A? Tangent. TOA. So you should write SOHCAHTOA on every page that you do so that you can refer to it. So tangent of 48 degrees equals opposite, which is x, over 17. And then you put a box around it. And then how do you get rid of the 17? By multiplying by 17. So the 17s cancel. So you're going to, on the calculator, do 17 times tangent of 48 degrees. 17 times tangent of 48 degrees. And it gives 18.88. This 8 makes this 8 become a 9 because it's more than 5. So 18.9. X is approximately, squiggly marks, 18.9. 1 decimal place. Number 5. See if you can label the sides for the 41 degrees, opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse. See if you can label the sides, and then we'll see if you can decide if it's sine, cosine, and tangent. So 41, the 10 is what? Opposite. And the x is the hypotenuse. So which trig ratio did you decide it was? SOHCAHTOA. So it's sine of 41 degrees equals opposite, which is 10, over x. Put a box around it. What's in the denominator that we have to multiply both sides by? X. The x's cancel, and then we divide by sine 41 degrees. So x is approximately 10 divided by sine 41 degrees. So it's 10 divided by sine 41. 15.24. 4 is less than 5, so it stays down. So it's 15.2. 15.2. Two more examples, and then you can work on your homework. Please do it. It's really important. Trig is a really important concept. So I'm going to give you a minute to figure out for the 70 which sides these are. So across from the 90 is the hypotenuse, and so is from the 70 this would be opposite. So this is adjacent, AH. So is it sine, cosine, or tangent? Is it sine, cosine, or tangent? It's ka. Cosine of 70 degrees equals adjacent, which is x, over 10. And you put a box around it. And then what's in the denominator that we need to multiply both sides by? 10. 10 times cosine of 70. 10 times, here's the cosine and sine and tangent buttons. Sine, cosine, tangent. So I need cosine of 70. .42. 2 is small. So it's 3.4. X is about 3.4. And then the last one, label the sides and decide if it's sine, cosine, or tangent. It's the 37 degrees we're talking about. So this is what? Opposite. This is the hypotenuse. So this would be adjacent. So OA. TOA. Which one's TOA? Tangent of 37 equals x over 14. Put a box around it. What do we multiply both sides by in the denominator? 14. So 14 tangent 37 degrees. 14 times the tangent of 37 degrees. 10.54. 4 is less than 5, so it stays the same, 10.5. So I have a worksheet for you to do. And it's due tomorrow. And then we'll do some more of these the next day too, maybe. We'll see how it's going. But, please do your homework and hang in there for the last couple weeks. I'd really appreciate it. And then you won't get behind in your classes for next year. Thank you.